Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: billing enabled, G-Cloud installed, and AI Studio API active. These let you provision compute. Next, create or download a service account key and keep it secure. You will paste this into environment variables. Once done, authenticate G-Cloud with the service account, then initialize your project and region. This early work prevents permission errors later. Make sure to test a quick API call now to validate credentials before moving into model deployment and runtime configuration. Once credentials work, you upload model artifacts or pick a hosted foundation model and choose a runtime. You'll decide managed GPU versus CPU based on latency and cost, GPUs for inference speed, CPU for low cost. Then configure dependencies and the container start command so the instance serves your model correctly. Add health checks so autoscaling knows when instances are healthy. After that, deploy and watch logs. If initialization fails, inspect the container startup and dependency versions to correct mismatches. You now test end-to-end. Send sample requests, measure latency and throughput, and profile memory. If performance lags, tune batch size, concurrency, or apply model quantization. Make sure to redeploy after each change. Once satisfied, set up monitoring and cost alerts so you don't exceed budgets. If things go wrong, check runtime and deployment logs, verify IAM roles and service account scopes, and confirm dependency versions, then redeploy. One troubleshooting tip: reproduce the failure locally in a matching container to isolate environment issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.